What's up, guys? We're going to do a little project that just about anybody should be able to do. We're going to change the grips on my 2020 Ninja 400. Here's the set of grips I decided to use. They're Vans Colt. I got them on Amazon for about $22. The color is oxblood, which I think looks pretty cool. It's the same waffle pattern that they use on the bottoms of their shoes, and it's real soft, real sticky. I think they'll be a huge improvement over the stock grips. The tools we'll need today are an X-Acto knife. The grips have a closed end, so we'll have to open those up. And then we'll use a 6mm Allen socket to remove the bar ends. Let's start by opening the ends of these grips. Helps to have a really sharp X-Acto knife blade. This one's brand new, so it cuts really easy. There we go, good enough. The next step is to remove the bar ends. These are torqued on really tight, and they use red Loctite to keep them on, so it's going to take some effort to get them off. We'll use the 6mm Allen socket. There we go. The next step is to remove the grips. If you have an air compressor and one of these blowguns, it makes life a lot easier. But if you don't, you can always just cut them off with your X-Acto knife. But all you do is just put the nozzle underneath the grip and hold it on this end. That'll allow it to balloon out and release the glue, the grip glue. And then you can just pull it off. Now we can put it on this side. Nice and easy. Let's get this other grip off. We'll use some acetone to get the grip glue off. Wow, that's gross. Don't laugh, but for grip glue, I like to use hairspray. I've never had a grip fall off, and it makes the grip slide on really easy onto the handlebar. So I'll spray a little bit in there. And then we'll slide it right on. Just like that. Perfect. Let's put that bar end back on. Put a little bit of Loctite on the bolt. And then screw it right back on. We'll get this good and tight. All right, there we go. That hairspray is dried already. If you decide to do this project, make sure that there's a gap between the end of the grip and the throttle housing, and also make sure there's a gap at the bar end side. And then as a final check, make sure that the throttle snaps closed. And there it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.